guys, so this is day 2 and we are in Sattal Forest Resort. So I'll just give you a quick snapshot of what all places to visit when you are in Sattal, because Sattal originally has just two things to offer. It has the lake, which is like a 1 kilometer trek down from this resort. It's a downhill trek, so people who are coming with family, I would recommend that the best part is that the resort offers you a Thar ride. I think it takes 300 per car, so it will take you down, and it's a 5 minute ride in a Thar. However, it will take you like an half an hour, 35 minutes if you are trekking downhill. So people who are coming with family and have leg problems, I would recommend take the service from the hotel. Rest people who are exploring and are adventure enthusiasts, they can just go downhill because it beautiful views to offer. So you're walking from between the jungle and suddenly the lake appears, so it's beautiful. Away from the top of Sattal Forest Resort, and as we step down, this is the entire trek. It's gonna be it's easier going down, but I think when we come up it's gonna take a lot more strength. It's beautiful views. We're just hoping that it doesn't rain while we are trekking. Sundari. Say hi to the camera. We're going to Bab's Cafe. The other places that you can visit is Bhimtal and Naukuchiatal. And another offer that service that the resort offers is that you can book a cab. It will take you 4,500 for a car, which I think can have 4 to 5 occupants depending upon the age group of the people that are in the group. It will take you to Bhimtal, Naukuchiatal, and it's approximately a 5 to 6 hour day trip. So for me, I had already visited Bhimtal and Naukuchiatal, so it wasn't that big an attraction for me. So we decided to stay and enjoy the weather and the surroundings that are there from the resort. So the room costed us 23,500 for 3 nights, 4 days. This is an occupancy of 2 people and it includes the cost of the breakfast and the dinner. Lunch is not included. And if you are traveling with like 3 occupancy per room, then the extra bed costs you 8,000 for 3 nights. The single extra bed will cost you 8,000 per night. And so if you are planning, quick getaway from Delhi, this is the best place because you will just enjoy the views. And guys, it is just going to rain either. The weather is just look at it. So when I talk about expenses, we came from Delhi and we kind of paid 6,000 for the petrol, and it was approximately 6 to 7 hours drive from Delhi to Sattal, depending on how many stoppages you do. So we took 7 hours and we took 2 stops, for one for breakfast and one for lunch, and it is pretty close by. So people who just have a weekend to relax and detox, I would definitely recommend this place. So next time you are visiting, I'll be more than happy to share the itinerary and clarify any of your queries. So if you Hi guys, so another small tip: if you're coming to Sattal, I would recommend coming in groups. It could be family, it could be friends, whatever is your comfort zone. And a small little guidance about food, because I don't want my followers and subscribers to be disappointed when they come here. People who are coming with a lot of expectations about having a wide buffet in terms of food, I would tell you that this place is for people who love home cooked food. So it's specially prepared. You will have your breads and everything. You'll have also your rice and sabzi, and people who also enjoy chicken, they can definitely non-veg. Sorry, they can enjoy the kadai chicken and the kali mirch chicken. It's definitely thumbs up from my end. If you are expecting international continental dishes and your breakfast buffets as large as possible, then this is not something that they offer. Also, you have to tell them they in the package, the cost of the room includes your breakfast and dinner. For lunch, you have to pay separately, and also you also have to order 2 to 3 hours before, because they make it specially, and sometimes if they don't have the ingredients, they'll have to get it. So this is how you can plan your food meals. But however, it is recommended that when you are going to the lake, you can have a different kind of cuisine, so you don't get bored if you are staying here for like 2 nights, 3 days. So that's a small tip. Like the video, then like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.